So it measures 14 inches from the top, not 14 inches from the bottom. I don't like when companies do that, but hey YouTube, it's your girl Cam back with another video. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys, this is how I titled. We are doing episode 2 of Redemption Time, unboxing a wig from Unice. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, help your girl grow. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So I feel like I had to put this on here to cover my address, but I feel like it's been probably a little over, it's easily been a little over a year since I purchased a wig from Unice. Unice, I don't know how you pronounce it or how they pronounce it. And I wasn't really impressed, so I'm like, you know what, let's see if anything has changed. Now, one thing I am going to say right off the bat that I did not like, and if I'm not mistaken, I feel like this happened the first time. When you put the order in your cart and you go and you pick your payment type, pretty much every company gives you the option to verify your order before you complete the purchase. My payment is saved, so once I click my payment type, it automatically just took the order. So I'm like, well, what if I wanted to change my mind and do like a HD wig? But I'm like, you know what, let me just like not really be like too upset about it, because they do also have a great return policy. As I mentioned to you guys, if the hair company doesn't have a great return policy, I'm not buying the hair, whatever it is, the wig, whatever it is that I'm retrying from their company. So that's the only thing I don't like so far. But let's get into this unboxing. So this is how the wig comes. And this almost got like a nice little box. Box is sealed. I don't even remember what I got. But I really wish I would have gotten the option to double check the order before it actually went through. Now they do have some free gifts. They do give you a packing slip. None of the items on the packing slip are really like, okay, well, this is what this is what that is. I guess it's just whatever their SKUs are. This is a first. I got some clips. I like that, because I feel as though this is practical. They give you a scarf, which I like as well, really cute. They give you a wig cap, and then they give you some lashes. Lashes look a little crazy, if you ask me. Out of focus. Yeah, so those are the gifts. I guess I'm gonna just pull up a picture of the wig. Y'all know how I do. The color is pretty. Did I get tinted lace? Because again, I mean, I picked the order, I picked the wig, but I didn't get to confirm. Okay, so yeah, so I picked the wig. I don't even know what the specs on the wig are, because again, I just didn't get to confirm anything. So it just says 13 by 4, 150% density, and gifts, 14-inch free part. Let's see if I can zoom in on the email. And I paid $177. The other thing I didn't like is I'm looking for where I get to put in a coupon code, but it took the payment so fast I didn't get a chance to. So I emailed them, and they were able to just give me a refund for $8. Then I got something saying that I would get $10 off, and then something said $100 off. So I got really confused, and I'm like, you know what? Before I respond to them about getting any more money off, let me see if I'm actually gonna keep the wig. So this is the wig that I ordered. So really cute. I figured with like spring coming up and summer coming up, it would be a nice color. And what was the density on this wig? 150. Does it feel like 150% density? It does. Right off the bat, it does. The hair is really soft. It is giving, like, and not in a bad way. We know that whenever we see hair from a hair company and it says it's virgin hair, we already know it's fallen processed hair. Some hair companies have better quality fallen processed hair than others, so I'm not mad at it. I know what I'm getting for that price. The lace looks and feels decent. I actually really like the color. I feel like the color match is, I don't want to say like dead on, but it looks like it's dead on. Now, one of the things that you guys always hear me mention is that, you know, a lot of these AliExpress hair companies, like they'll have like shorter strands. I do see shorter strands in it. It doesn't look too bad. I really like the color. Like, I really like the color. That's the other thing I wanted. And I hate that I keep going back to this, but I feel as though, let's try this wig on. It set the tone for how I was gonna feel and how I was gonna experience this wig. Now, when I originally got the color, I'm like, oh, you know, it's a great color for spring. But I'm like, oh, well, you know, I already have a wig this color. Let me go back. I hit the back button, and then it's like, oh, email's like order complete. Okay. Just feels really small. I'll show you when I say small. I don't even know what size I got, because again, it just took the order. It didn't give me a chance to like confirm. I don't like that. It didn't give me a chance to confirm anything. So I don't know if I got like a size medium wig. Like, the cap is small. Definitely does feel like a glueless frontal wig though, I'll tell you that. And I think it's 13 by 4 for the parting space. Definitely does not look like 4 inches of parting space. Let's whip out the measuring tape. It looks like it's a little bit less, to be quite honest, but I could be wrong. So that's why we're going to measure. Okay. Parting space is like a hair under 4 inches, so not like too bad. So the hair does feel soft. I'll give them that. Like, it feels really soft. But I don't know about this cap. This cap in the front, it's combing. Like, it fits. It's a really nice fit though. Like, I can definitely get away with not having to glue this wig on. Like, I can already tell this is definitely like one of the better fitting glueless wigs. My only thing would be the cap is a little small in the front. Doesn't look like 14 inches though. Let me bring back out the measuring tape like this, because I know they measure, like, I'm trying to figure out where does it measure at 14 inches. I didn't think it measured at 14 inches. It measures at 12. I'm like, this don't look like no 14-inch wig. Now let's see if you're measuring. There's just no way. So it measures 14 inches from the top, not 14 inches from the bottom. I don't like when companies do that, but I guess it's the way of the world. So you have 4 inches of parting space in the middle, probably about 2 inches on the sides. I don't know. Comment down below. The color definitely looks like the color that's on their website. I would love to say I would give it a try, but when I first started my YouTube channel, maybe even right before, one of the wigs that I got that I have up there from another AliExpress hair company, the cap was too small, and I was like, oh, you know, no big deal. But now that I've been on YouTube for a little while, I know a little bit better. Getting a wig that has a short cap is only going to be problematic in the future. Most of my wigs, I wear most of my wigs glueless like 90% of the time, but the one-off times that I do want to glue it down, this is going to be a problem. Like, it's going to be a problem. But the hair is definitely soft. It's nice. It's just, I don't know. I'm not going to be able to wrap my head around using the cap, but I also like the lace. I feel as though I'm not going to have to tint the lace. I'm not going to have to really do much blending of anything to get this to match. Just put it under, see what I mean? So the lace matches really nice, but just like last time, I'm not gonna get to really try it out. I'm not upset about it. It's just I can't really try it out because the cap is not gonna fit. Yeah, hair soft. Hair's definitely soft. So I can't say anything really too bad about the wig. Wish I was able to try it out, but the cap is definitely too small for me, and I'm almost certain I clicked on a medium, but I don't know if I did because I didn't get a chance to confirm the order. So I'll reach out to them. I'll return this. So one other thing I wanted to add before I wrap this up, I obviously have bought a lot of hair here on my channel, so I am pretty familiar with different types or different textures of AliExpress hair companies' hair. One thing that I will say that I can kind of tell off the bat is that typically when the hair feels the way this hair feels, it does not hold a curl very well. Obviously I won't be able to confirm that 100%, but I just know, because I know if you've been here on my channel, then you know, like when I say things or I feel something, I tend to be right. But like I said, I'm gonna send this back because this is not gonna fit my head. But that is pretty much all I have for you guys. That wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.